up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So as you guys already saw the unboxing, yes, I'm gonna be installing some Sparco steering wheel into the Mini Cooper. Damn, look how good that looks, guys. NRG quick release. I can't wait. I think this is gonna be my favorite mod so far on the car. I do have a couple more things I ordered for the car on its way coming in. So very excited for this one though. So let's go ahead and jump right into the installation. Damn, I think I did pretty good on the wrap job. If you haven't seen that video on the wrap, I'm gonna leave it on the top so you can check it out. For my first time, not bad, man. So before doing anything with the steering wheel, guys, the first thing you have to do is disconnect the battery. All you need is just a 10mm socket. Alright guys, so there's two holes on the top of the steering wheel. One is right here and one is right here. So to remove the airbag, all you have to do is stick a screwdriver and push down on the spring, and the airbag is gonna pop right out. You're just gonna push. Alright guys, so to disconnect the airbag, you're just gonna go ahead and squeeze on these tabs on the side and pull it up, and that's it. The airbag is out. Gonna put that to the side. So next, what you're gonna need is like a T10 bit to remove the ground cable from right here. And next you're gonna need a 60mm socket to remove the steering wheel bolt. And I already got that off. It already wasn't on there that tight, guys. That's weird. And I think that should be it pretty much. Just gonna go ahead and wiggle. Alright guys, so based on my research, you're gonna need a short hub from E46 or E36 BMW. And I'm also gonna be losing my horn function because the connectors stick out too far, so you're gonna have to lose the horn. I might come back later and try to figure out how to make the horn work, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the connector for the horn. When installing the hub, make sure you keep this little tab straight on the bottom and the connectors up on the top. Make sure the hub is nice and straight. Before installing the bolt, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt. Alright guys, so I got me some 3.9 ohms resistors from Amazon. This is gonna keep the airbag light off. I'm just gonna go ahead and install those into the airbag plug. This is not the best solution. There's some better resistors out there, but these are the ones I could get my hands on right now, so hopefully they're gonna work. Looking good. Everybody say what's up to Alfredo. If you guys remember, we put the BC cordovers on his Focus ST.
Maybe soon we get some Volkswagen GTI.
You bought that, huh?
I did. VR6, baby.
Stick shift?
Of course.
Nice. And he said he wanted to hear what the Mini Cooper sound like, so I'm gonna show him right now.
right there.
Is
Dang,
it?
that's sweet
I'm gonna
too.
need it. I'm putting you to work.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, baby. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and reconnect the battery and we're gonna see. Alright guys, so I just reconnected the batteries. The moment of truth. Dude.
I have to get some gloves now.
I have some. Dude. Damn guys, no airbag light. Dude.
That's clean.
Yeah, it is.
That is so clean.
Yep.
You know, race car things.
Yep. Oh man, my leg have a lot of room now. Damn. You wanna hear this?
Yeah, that's loud as hell. You don't get pulled over? Not yet.
Not yet, dude.
Damn.
Yep.
The straight bikes?
Yep.
All the way.
Nah, I got cat. I still have the cat on there.
Even then, it's loud as hell.
Yep.
You know, that's BMW right there.
Yeah. Yep. That shit is crazy, right? Oh, dude, I love this little car, man. Dude, this came out great. Oh, man.
I couldn't imagine how it sounds in gear.
Oh, dude, it rips, dude. Yeah, it does.
I bet.
Yeah, sometimes I'm like, damn, dude, you're gonna get me in trouble. Yep.
That's
Dude, I got some intakes already.
I know, I was looking at that.
Yeah, it's gonna make the supercharger, you could hear the whining even more.
Oh, it's supercharged? I thought it was turbo.
Nah, it's supercharged.
No way.
Yeah. Yep. I got some springs on the way. Okay, guys. So this has to be one of my top favorite mods of all time, guys. Feels so good. I feel like I'm driving a race car. If you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and smash that like. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep up with the build. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.